Managing Director of Ribby's Ultraloan, Don Creary, is disputing reports that an employee who was shot and killed in the car park was accused of stealing liquor from the establishment. Mr. Creary says he's unaware of the consequences which resulted in the man's killing by an off-duty policeman. Indicom is investigating.
The family of Jermaine Richards huddle as they gear up to unravel the mystery behind his killing. The deceased was a chef at the Ribby's Bar and Grill. He was shot and killed about 4 a.m. Thursday in the parking lot of the establishment, allegedly by a cop with whom he had a dispute. The family say they were told the dispute was about stolen liquor from the establishment. Jermaine's sister Tareen Vernon says a credible source revealed that he was in the kitchen cleaning a stove, and as he attempted to leave, the policeman, whom was not on duty, accosted him.
When my brother leave the kitchen, one of his confederates, him use him firearm and box my brother in him face and bust him face. Him hold on him face, cause reflex, him get a lick, him hold on him face and realize him have blood on him hand. Him start to say, look how you bust up my face. And the police come out of the restaurant, my brother go behind him and a video him, saying, look how you bust up my face. Him go behind him and a video him pull him down the stairs, carry him in the parking lot, and brutally murder my brother.
Don Creary, a director of Ribby's Ultra Lounge, says Jermaine was never a suspect.
Well, my understanding is that the confrontation was with somebody else. It was not with him. There was somebody else that they had an interest in. It was not him. How it escalated and how he got involved, I don't know, because at that time, none of us were here, you know, and people are spreading rumors saying all kind of.
Jermaine's sister says the company has yet to inform the next of kin about the incident. The family learned of his death through other sources. They said when they went to identify him at the hospital, he was documented as an unknown male.
How can someone die on the premises, a worker die on the premises, and you don't acknowledge that worker so that when he goes to the hospital and him ending up in a body bag, them don't know that this is Jermaine Richards, a chef that works inside your kitchen.
They're displeased with how Ribby's is treating the matter.
Ribby's have posted something on their social media platform on Instagram, sending out condolences. I don't know to who, because it cannot be to us. It cannot be to his kids, because at the end of the day, he has a file there. You have not reached out to us personally. He has a file there with number and his address on it. So there's no way you would go and post something on your social media platform, making it look like you're in dialogue with the family.
Mr. Creary, however, says Jermaine was a valuable worker and that he will be sadly missed.
Mr. Richards was one of our valued employees, somebody that we have never had any disciplinary issues with. I want to say categorically, there's a lot of stuff out there on social media about him having quarrel arguments, etc., of him stealing. None of that is true. None of that is true. He was a dedicated, hard-working employee, and we are very saddened by what has happened.
Indicom is investigating the incident. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.